our channel Kamsi Space. How are you all doing today? Cause I and my brother were fine. This is still your girl Kamsi, and here with me is my elder brother Michael.
Hello, welcome to Kamsi Space. I hope you're enjoying what we're doing in this channel. I'm glad you do.
Yeah, my viewers, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. And to our returning subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you. So, in today's video, I and my elder brother we're going to be making our mom's favorite soup. And guess what it is? Oha soup.
So the ingredients we're using in this wonderful delicacy are beef, oha leaf, uzuza leaf, pounded cocoyam.
Yes, my viewers, this cocoyam has already been pounded. I'm sure you all know how to pound cocoyam. First, you boil it until it gets really soft. Then you peel it off and pound it very well until it is smooth.
Pomo, crayfish, onion, palm oil, shaki, salt to taste, pepper, dry fish, stockfish, and 2 cubes of seasoning.
So, let's get started.
The first thing we are going to do is to wash our hands. The first thing you need to do is to boil your beef. So first, we add our onion. Then we add
salt to taste.
Then 1 cube of seasoning. And we turn it for the meat to absorb the ingredients. Now it's time to boil the meat. Allow it to steam for 5 minutes and do not add water.
After 5 minutes, you can then add the quantity of water enough for the soup. While the meat is on heat, we're going to prepare the oha leaves. So we're going to pluck it out from the stem and cut it like this. Only use your hands. Don't use a knife, because my mom said that when you use a knife to cut these oha leaves, it will make it taste bitter and you won't enjoy it like that. And besides, what's the use of using knife when these oha leaves are soft? They're soft. So there's no use of using knife. You can use your hands.
Now, as you can see, the meat is done steaming. See the water that came out of the meat on its own. That's why it's advisable to steam the meat before adding water. Look how beautiful it is. Now it's time for me to add the water. Enough for the soup.
Michael, I hope the water I put is not much. What we're cooking is soup, not pepper soup.
I know, Kamsi, I'm a master chef, as you can see. At this point, I'm going to add the shaki. Then the momo. And now the stock fish and the dry fish. I want to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. So now we are cutting the uziza leaf,
and we're going to be doing it the same way we did the oha leaves. So cut it into pieces with your hands, like this.
This now actually as hard as
Yes,
not as soft as this in oha.
Yes, the oha leaf are very soft. This one's kind of hard.
6,
7.
this one. This point, I am going to add red oil, grounded crayfish, and ground pepper. Now stir very well with your cooking spoon. Now I am going to add my pounded cocoyam bit by bit. Now stir it gently. But I forgot to show you one ingredient. It is called ogiri, an igbo spice for oha soup. Adding the ogiri. Stir it gently. I need to leave it for the cocoyam to dissolve in the soup.
Wow! Viewers, can you see how beautiful and delicious this oha soup looks like? I'm sure my mom is going to love this.
Now it's time to add the uziza leaves.
Yeah.
The one that you cut.
The second one. Uziza leaf. Now turn it.
Stir.
Stir.
And leave it to boil for some minutes. Finally, we add the oha leaf.
The last ingredients.
And then you stir it for everything to combine together. Now we cover it and allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. And your oha soup is ready. The oha soup is ready. Come and join us, enjoy this wonderful delicacy.
Yeah, my viewers, tell me in the comment section what you like to enjoy oha soup with. Is it fufu or eba or pounded yam? Please let me know in the comment section below.
My mom loves oha soup with fufu. She loves it so much, and that's what we are going to eat today. restart. So sweet. This one the eating soup and super clean fish. You finish the fish for me, Oh. This is so sweet. You have to join us and enjoy this food. I'm sure my mom is going to enjoy this. Oh. Viewers, if you really love this video, subscribe, comment, like and share. Smash that subscribe button and subscribe to our channel if you want more of this in Kamsi Space.
Yeah, my viewers, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, comment, like and share. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video on Kamsi Space.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you in the next video. Bye.